Welcome to a new episode of Linux Innovation. In this episode, we will install RedHat 8 as a virtual machine using VMware Workstation. The first step for this process is to click the new virtual machine, click Next. Then we make sure that we select the proper ISO image, in this case RHEL 8.1, click Open, then click Next. In the next screen, we'll fill out our full name, followed by a username and the password of the virtual machine. Click Next. On this screen, we just define the virtual machine name, in our case, RHEL 8.1. Click Next. We validate this size for the volume that we will host in the machine, and we click Next. We customize our hardware by selecting 2 gigs of memory and 2 processors. And then we click Close. Then we click Finish, and the machine will get generated. Then we will proceed to edit the machine settings. We will remove the CD-ROM that is not needed. Highlight it and click Remove. Then proceed to click OK. Then proceed to power on the virtual machine. Then proceed with the installation of RedHat Enterprise Linux 8.1. At this point, our hardware is getting validated and probed by the operating system. In these screens, we are asked to select our language. We select English, and then we click Continue. In the next menu, we have the location, software, and system categories. For location, we're not going to touch keyboard or language, but for time and date, we will select West Coast. And we will define AM, PM variants and appropriate time. Then we click on Done. For software, we're not going to adjust any of these parameters. For system, we will adjust the installation destination. Make sure that we're selecting the right hard drive and the installation will be automatic. Click Done. For KDump, we're not touching KDump. Network and host configuration, we're going to adjust. We're going to put RHEL 8, the local domain for our machine. Then we will enable the network interface. In this case, is ENS 160 in order to obtain an automatic IP. Click Done. And then we proceed to begin the installation. Let's adjust the root password. And we click Done. And then we create a user account. In this case, Linux Innovations. Then we proceed to type our password again for this account. And we make sure that we define this account as an administrator, so it gets added to the wheel group. Click Done. Now, for the sake of time, we're going to expedite the video. And then we proceed to reboot the system. Upon reboot, we should be greeted with grub. We hit Enter. This will prove our hardware components. And then we will be prompted by the licensing agreement and the subscription manager. Let's proceed with the licensing agreement. Let's read the licensing agreement throughout. Let's accept the agreement. Let's click done. We're not going to subscribe the system right now. So let's proceed finish the configuration. Momentarily, we will be prompted to enter our credentials. In this case, we put our password for the Linux Innovations account. Click sign in. We will be greeted with a welcome wizard. In this case, we click next. Click next. We skip any online account for now. We start up the Enterprise Linux and then we close this window. And that's it for a basic installation of RedHat Enterprise Linux 8.1. Let's power off. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.